All right, so you want to send a chat message to me, and here's the instructions. So what you'll do is you'll go to your upper right hand corner where you see the hand at. So right here. There's the helper droid, and right over there is the hand, okay? So you'll see that hand, and what you do next is you're going to click that hand, and you're going to see this little flower screen that comes out. It says, please help, please check, whichever one. You'll click please help. You'll go down, and I don't know, you have something like, does the line for number 2 go through the point of origin? So maybe you ask that question. You send that to me. I misspelled origin, but you get the idea. So you send that to me. What's going to happen is that I'll get that. But another important thing to notice is that your hand switched up over here from being just a white rectangle around it to now becoming a yellow rectangle. That just lets you know that, hey, I got your message, but I haven't answered it yet, okay? So I hope that helps explain how to use chat to reach out to me. Once again, you go to the upper right-hand corner of your paper, look for the hand. It'll be in a little white thing. But then once you click it, come down, choose what you want to put, answer, help, whatever. Fill your information here and send it. This will come up, and I'll respond back to you as soon as possible. All right, and that's it for how you go ahead and use chat.